Hi, I'm Mike at Jones Tech in sunny Jacksonville, Florida, and today we'll be taking a condenser out of a Ford F-350. Okay, we've already evacuated the system, but I'm going to put my gauges on it again, just to double check and make sure that it is clear of any freon, because we do not want to release anything out to the atmosphere if possible. Okay, tighten them down real good. Tighten it on there. I'm going to go up here, get the gauges down, and as you can see, we're at 0 on both gauges, on both high and low side. So therefore, the system is completely empty, and I am clear to remove the condenser. I'm going to take these off and move these out of my way. And this is a fairly easy procedure. Really, all you have to really do is remove your hood latch, and then your bracket bolts, and your hoses there. So first off, we're going to remove the hood latch assembly here. That one loose. Get that off. I'm just going to lay it anywhere on the engine nut out of the way. Alright, and before I undo my bracket, I want to take my hoses off. That way I don't break them or anything once my brackets get loose. Now, I'm going to remove my bracket here. Here. And over here, I ain't got to take it all the way off. I'm just loosen it up and slide it out of the way. And your hoses should pop right off. Alright, and your condenser comes out. And as you can see on this condenser, that it's all beat up on the top, and on the front. So it would be wise to replace this one, but we're doing this for training purposes. We're not replacing it. We'll slide it back down in there. And then when you put it back on, you want to make sure you check your O-rings on the lines. Make sure you still got your O-rings on there, and also you can put a little bit of pag oil on them, keep them lubricated. Thanks for watching. How long was that?